Whether you're writing a blog post, an email, a school assignment, or social media content, ChatGPT can help you write faster and more effectively. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for writing, improve your prompts, and edit your content for better results. So let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT website or mobile app and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, click New Chat to begin a fresh writing session. Next, explain exactly what you want ChatGPT to write. Mention the topic, the purpose, your target audience, and the type of content you need. Whether it's a blog post, email, script, product description, or essay, clear instructions lead to better results. You can also tell ChatGPT how you want the writing to sound. For example, ask for a professional tone, a friendly conversation, a persuasive style, or something that's easy for beginners to understand. This helps the response match your intended audience. After you've written your prompt, send it and let ChatGPT generate a first draft. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Think of the first response as a starting point that you can improve together. Now ask ChatGPT to revise the draft. You can request shorter paragraphs, better grammar, stronger headlines, smoother transitions, or clearer wording. You can even ask it to rewrite sections that don't sound quite right. If your content feels too short or too general, ask ChatGPT to expand specific sections, add practical examples, include frequently asked questions, or create a stronger conclusion. Small improvements can make your writing much more useful. Before you publish or submit your work, read through it carefully. Make sure the information is accurate, adjust anything that reflects your personal voice, and check that the final version matches your goals. A quick review helps ensure your writing is polished and original, and that's how to use ChatGPT for writing. With clear prompts, thoughtful revisions, and a final review, you can create high-quality content much faster while keeping your own style and ideas. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and thanks for watching.